The SpeedForm Chin Spoiler in matte black is an excellent option for 2013 to 2014 Mustang GT and V6 owners looking to give their front end a more aggressive, track-inspired appearance. Whether you're upgrading your Mustang style for the street or the track, this chin spoiler adds a sleek, low-profile design that complements the factory front bumper with a race-ready look. This matte black chin spoiler brings a stealthy, aggressive aesthetic to the front end of your Mustang while also offering some functional aerodynamic benefits. By extending the lower bumper, it helps reduce front end lift at high speeds, improving stability and handling. The spoiler's OE-inspired design ensures a seamless fit with the factory bumper, giving your Mustang a more aggressive stance without looking out of place. This matte black finish provides a clean, modern appearance that looks great right out of the box. But it can also be painted to match your Mustang's body color for a more customized look if that's what you're after. Designed as a direct fit upgrade, this chin spoiler instantly transforms the front end presence of your Mustang with a more dominant, performance-oriented style. Made from high-quality, durable, injection-molded ABS plastic, this chin spoiler is built to withstand the daily driving conditions, including road debris, minor impacts, and that weather exposure. The lightweight yet strong construction ensures long-lasting durability without adding any unnecessary weight to the front end of your Mustang. ABS plastic is known for its flexibility and impact resistance, making this a reliable choice for exterior modifications just like this chin spoiler. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's going to come in right around that $150 range, making it a pretty affordable way to improve some aerodynamics and add a custom look to the front end of your Mustang. Installation on this is going to be very straightforward, designed for a direct bolt-on fit. Expect an easy 30-minute install, making this a great beginner-friendly mod for Mustang owners looking to enhance their car's look without any extensive work. We're going to rate this one a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, since you can get it done in 30 minutes or less right in the driveway. Now let's see exactly how this goes on your Mustang with an install video from one of our American Muscle customers.
These are all the tools that we're going to need. All you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill bit, but we're just going to go ahead and use a screwdriver. Alright guys, so right now we're just going to assemble the 3 pieces that we have here with 4 10mm screws. And essentially, we're just gonna flip this upside down, just like so. Make sure everything lines up. Yep, there you go. And then I'm gonna open up the red bag they provided with us. Empty out all the screws on the floor, try not to lose them. But they also provided 2 extra bolts in case you lose them. And just get your screwdriver. Line it up with the hole they have here. Just screw it on into the hole they provided you. There's no recommendation on how tight it should be, so just whenever you think it's tight and sturdy, you can stop. And what you gotta do is 3 more times like I'm doing here. Kinda went a little deep in there, but it's fine. Now we just got 2 more. Make sure everything is lined up before you do this. Just like so. I'm gonna have it levitating a little bit. And then just feed it into the hole. Now all we need is 1 more bolt. Just like so. Alright, so once you got all the 3 pieces connected together, this is how your chin spoiler should look. You can see all the holes you'll be feeding the screws in. But since this is just plastic, it's going to be very easy to just feed it with the screwdriver itself, and that's what we're going to do here. So I'm just here lining this flip up, trying to get the first screw in so it'll be easier to get the rest. So as you can see, we got the first screw in. So right now we're just going to move over to the other side, get the other one.
Alright, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the SpeedForm Chin Spoiler in matte black for the 2013 to 2014 Mustang GT and V6s. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.